If you can't stand the massive, unwieldy size and price of the Surface Book 2, the Surface Pro 4 is not only a worthy alternative, but an excellent first choice for creative professionals constantly on the move. It's cheaper than the new Surface Pro if you buy it refurbished, and it's nearly as good. Although there are admittedly shortcomings when it comes to the battery life of the Surface Pro 4, it still holds up as a product that we can safely recommend to Windows tablet newcomers and veterans alike. As a pro device, the Surface Pro 4, of course, ships with Windows 10 Pro pre-installed, a $199/pound $219/339 Australian dollars value. That goes without mentioning the Surface Pro 4's gorgeous screen, which is crystal clear when pitted up against its predecessor. The type cover might be sold separately, too, but it's satisfying to the touch nonetheless. As we glossed over before, the battery life lasting only 3 hours and 15 minutes in the PC Mark 8 test is pretty unacceptable for a tablet, but the zippy internal components more than make up for the frequent need to charge. Having come a long way since its reveal 2 years ago, the Surface Pro 4 has seen considerable improvement in that time. The aforementioned Windows 10 Fall Creators Update, for example, is now available to download and install. Aside from our previous utterances, it comes with a helping of new features you'll grow to love and appreciate, such as the Apple AirDrop-inspired Near Share and Find My Pen for clumsier artists. As we continue to await a multitude of changes yet to come, including a potential Surface Pro 5 redesign in the coming months, there is still some work to be done to appease the current Surface Pro 4 install base.